Hello everybody, this is Dedra with Paper Crafts and Planners, and I'm here with a quick flip through of the latest mini catalog from Close to My Heart. This is their May and June. They come out with new ones seasonally every 2 months. There is a core catalog with their core products that stay, and I will link to that below. I did a flip through of that one. Here are the different ways you can join the company if you want to step up and get discounts besides just being a customer. So I'll link to that information below also. Here are their subscription boxes. Now I receive the card making one, and I receive a new box every 4 months. Really cute. And it has all the directions for it. There's always a shaker element. There's a full-size stamp set. This is the May through August cards right here. This will be my third one when this one comes out. And I'm going to try to really hard make some on camera, because I get in there and I just start making them and playing with them, or I send some to people that I know would like to make some simple cards, because they're really simple. The instructions could not be clearer. This is going to be your easiest way that you've ever made a shaker card before. And like I said, it comes with a full-size stamp set. It's a really good deal. And then they also have the same in the 12 by 12 scrapbooking. I've been considering this. My grandkids are moving back to the area, and I'm already so far behind in scrapbooking that I'm thinking this might be a great way to just catch up. So they come every 4 months. You can either purchase them every 4 months, or you can pay for the year at a discount and then receive them every 4 months, which is how I do it. This is the first new collection in this catalog, and it's called Hillside Cottage. Really pretty florals and bunnies and just cute. Here are the coordinating colors. The nice thing about doing these collections with these different companies is you know that there's going to be paper that goes with it. You know that there's going to be ink that coordinates. It's all going to go together. And they make different collections where you can make your scrapbooking. So I'll show you those in a minute. So this is Hillside Cottage comes with, there are 2 each of 3 double-sided designs in the paper pack, or you can buy it with the sticker sheet also. So the paper collection is just $6.95 for that, or it's $9.95 if you want the 12 by 12 stickers, and that's the way it goes with each collection. They always put together coordinating cardstock, so you can purchase just these cardstock colors to go with the collection. There's always some sort of element. This one has these shapes that are wood and acrylic to go with it. There are always Picture My Life cards, which are like Project Life, the same sizing. And there is always now a Cricut collection, a mini collection. So it's $9.99, and it's smaller than the cartridges used to be. Fewer elements, but definitely a better price point. So you can coordinate all of this together. Here are a couple of the stamp sets that go with the collection. I love that watering can. That's cute. And the fox, really cute. Here is the 12 by 12 scrapbooking set. And it will come in a kit, a workshop kit like this. And you can buy it with or without the page protectors. If you're like me, you have a ton of 12 by 12 page protectors, so you're stocked on those. And then they always have listed down here the extra things they've used, like the journaling pin and the foam tape and different things, so that you can purchase those products too if you want to do it exactly the way they did. Here is the card making kit for Hillside Cottage. I really like this one. I'm probably going to get this one. I'm a sucker for the card making kits. It comes with a stamp set, a die cut, some flat back pearls or enamel dots, whatever they're called in this kit, the card bases and envelopes, the paper, and the solid cardstock. And you can download the directions for each of these different things. So really cute, and I have enjoyed making these in the past. Here is the second collection. It's called Stars and Sparklers, and it is kind of an Americana, really cute 4th of July type theme. And again, it comes with the same thing, the printed paper, the sticker sheet, the coordinating cardstock. Instead of the wood and elements, this one comes with sequins that are the Stars and Stripes colors. Really cute. Stars and Sparklers, sorry. And then it's the Picture My Life cards, and there's the Cricut collection. And if I can get this page to turn, here are some stamp sets to go with this collection. I might have to get this one for my husband for Father's Day stuff. He definitely uses that, his grill, every time he's home. And here is the scrapbook collection, or scrapbook kit, and here's the card kit. I love the different layering for the balloon and the shadow for that balloon. Look how pretty that looks on there. That is just so pretty. And then they always have some sort of mix-in papers, and these papers will coordinate with both collections, and then they have a mixing coordinating cardstock. So you get one each of the colors that go with, and let's see how many, there's 6 of them that coordinate specifically with this. And of course they'll coordinate with the other collections too. And we're getting into the stamp sets. If they have like a little rim around them, a shadow, that means there's a thin cut that goes with them. And this one definitely does. This one's called So Tweet. Really cute. And this one I really love. It has this big sympathy. And I save all these catalogs because I love how they show you different ideas. So here are some 3 mini ones. That one says, here's a little paper hug until I can see you again, which I love that. And then here is this full-size one. Here's some more. You've got your graduation and hooray, you did it. Let's party. Love those. Oh, and this is their shaker element die cuts that they have. And they come with the acrylics, or you can cut the acrylic yourself when you run out, and the foam. So this star will have foam backing it, and you can make your shaker elements easily, and you can even die cut the colors you want for your shaker elements. So they have those. This one's so cute. I love your face, your crafty side, the way your eyes light up, and this one comes or has a thin cut available also. This one is so cute. Wishing you a latte to be happy. Oh, that's cute. And it's showing you the die cut they have that will create this spinner element or turn element where you can turn it, and then different things will show up there in the top. So you can put all these different words. So when you turn it, it'll have your message up there, which is really cute. Here is a hiking camping one called Take a Hike. And this one's called Shoot for the Stars. Pretty. Here is a golfing one. My hole-in-one. I don't have any golfers in my family. But I know that's, well, no, I lied. My brother, he's married someone who's a golfer, and now he's taken up golfing. So maybe this is his next birthday card. Here is Because of the Brave, and We Stand on Guard for Thee. So this is the Canada version and the American version. This die cut is so pretty. It is called the Sunburst Background, and look what it can do. And then there is this stamp set that coordinates, so it does all these little circle stamps that could go right in the center of that. And then they have this new leaf layers thin cuts, and this new circle thin cuts that starts off at 3 inch and goes down a 1/2 inch until it gets to 1. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes in this. Here is the May stamp set and the June stamp set. So it's all these different themes that are going to go on those months. I love the grass there. That's cute. And then they have a third collection in this one. It is called You Are Enough paper packet. And they're doing this because May is National Scrapbooking Month. So there'll be a lot of things. If you follow Close to My Heart on Facebook, there'll be a lot of different videos showing you how to use this collection. And you can make sure you tune in for those. There is a sticker sheet and a paper pack. And these coordinating cardstocks are a little different this time. They have a solid side and a foiled side, which is so pretty. So I've never seen them do foil before. This is rose gold foil on these, which is really pretty. And then they have the Picture My Life cards. I'm sure they've done foil, and maybe I just missed it, or maybe this is a really new thing. But I think I might need to get those. Here is some layered butterflies thin cuts. There are some sequins that are butterflies, really pretty. And then here is the You Are Enough stamp set, and there's a thin cut for it also. And then here are the different scrapbooking collections that they've made with that. Okay, I already have this because I'm a maker. I was able to get this early, but this is the stamp of the month for May. And so I've had it for a while. I'm going to be playing with it and showing some different things you can do with it. The way the stamp set of the month works is if you purchase $50 worth of product, you are able to get this stamp set for $5. So there's one for May, and there's one for June, which I don't have June yet, but I definitely have May. And then there is this Operation Smile, which what they do with these Operation Smile stamp sets is they donate $7 for every purchase, and it goes to the Operation Smile, which does surgeries to repair cleft palates and cleft lips on children all over the world. So it's kind of a cool organization, and they do donations. You can also, when you make purchases on my website, you can round your purchase up And that money also goes to Operation Smile, which I always do that every time I make a purchase. But anyway, I think it's a great catalog, and I will be coming back making some projects with some things I purchased. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy crafting.